All right, so here we got. This is a collection, obviously, from my dad. I've had this photo album. I got tons of trucking stuff, so I'm gonna tell you a small story about him. So this is back in, I'm gonna guess, mid '70s. He probably started working for this company, maybe later, maybe earlier. I don't know. I was born in '78, of course, and that's where I kind of got my first taste of trucking. Is see one of the pictures in there. I'm a small child. I'm guessing about one, sitting behind the wheel, and that's where it all goes wrong. Or right. But anyways, if you guys know anything about Arctic transport based out of Edmonton, I'd like to hear your comments and fill in something, or say, hey, I used to work there. Whatever. Just say. All right, let's take you back to a time of galvanized corrugated fenders. 8 wheels were king. Split rims were the must. I don't even think aluminum rims existed then, but before confidentiality clauses, before safety, before hard hats, before coveralls, before reflective stripes, before emissions. This is the heyday of the 80s, and this is where everything just went wrong shortly after. Check out the diversification. Like, these guys are hauling equipment, they're moving rigs, they're doing service work. They're like, hey, what do you got? We'll smash it out for you, no problem. Arctic Transport. I could only start to guess what might have happened here. Like, it looks like he was probably loaded, didn't chain it down, was winching it up. It wasn't quite flat. We all know how it goes. You get to the wheel, it fucking fucks off to one side or the other, whatever's lowest. And then maybe the load shifted. Doesn't look like a very friendly predicament. pretty sure I've seen this sow sitting in the back 40 of Fox Creek there just before. If you took the last road before going to Isaacan and you headed, I don't know if that would be northwest across the further street in the backside of Fox Creek. I'm pretty sure I've seen this truck. Of course, not too long after this was the mighty recession. I don't know if it 85, 88, somewhere in there. I didn't really look too much, but it was a hard crash. There was a bit of a depression. Well, I'm depressed now. It's 2019. But anyways, the old man ended up having a trip to the Yukon. I don't know how far out, but it looks like some of these pictures are from the Yukon, from Alberta Trucking Company, which would be great if I could snag some of that shit. But anyway, he decides to buy his own truck and just go on it solo. I'll tell you more about that in the next story.